Illustrator instructor here, John Mandela with another screencast. Picking up where we left off in the character illustration. So I've just clicked on this and brought it to the forefront. And actually, I can just there's an effect on this one. I'm gonna leave that alone. I might want to warp that a little bit differently depending on what the scene is. But anyway, I also made the ball at the top of the hat and brought that to the front as well as this. So they're in front. And if I turn off the drawing layer, I can see this is where we are so far, and that's good. Now let's add some facial features. So if I go in here, this one I will just use a simple ellipse tool. I think I'm going to make it not perfectly white. I'm going to go to this one actually, and then go to my color panel, and I'm just going to bring these all down quite a bit. About like that, so it's not perfectly white. And then just draw a circle. And over there. And sorry, that was a alt drag or an option drag. I can do shift. I want it to be in a perfectly straight line. Next little eyeballs. For that, I will use black. And then again, an option drag. Get that over there. Again, frequently want to turn this out, see how it's going. So this is a little bit kooky with the eyes like this. If you want to, you just show someone that's just looking straight forward. You put the eyes toward the middle, not too. You want to do this. This means the person's cross-eyed, but they're kind of like the middle, or just inside the middle. This is the person looking at you. Get straight ahead, and maybe put that up a little bit so they're not looking down at their own nose. And for the nose, you know what I mean, the mouth, you can kind of decide if you want to do that as line work, or you might want to set that up differently. For the mouth, I think I'm just going to use the pen tool here. Click this way and like that. And then click and drag allows you to get curves. So that looks good right there. And I'm just going to keep going with this idea. I don't want that one actually, let's just go with this one. And for this one I will set it to the outside, and I will make the stroke thicker. Let's go to 2 points. Oops. That's good. And do it again over here. 2 points. Good. And let's see what we have so far. This is pretty good. What I could do, let's say I want a little tongue in there. Actually, something like this. And I want it to be a pink tongue, let's say. Then what I'm going to do is click on this and this, and I can go to my Pathfinder panel, which is right here, and just divide these out, and then object ungroup, and click on this part that I don't need, like that. There we go. And actually what I'm going to do, instead of deleting it, I'm just going to bring this one up here and make it a slightly darker brown, like it's a shadow. That's perfect, just like that. So there we go. And that's good to go. Let's just say so far. So one thing I probably want to do is select all of these things right here. Well, start making groups of groups. So this one, hold shift, select these few things. That's the hat. Object, group that. And I probably want all of these things grouped together. Oops, but now the hat jumped to the back, so right click, arrange, bring that to the front, and then select this and group that. So I have the head and hat is made of a group of 2 groups, the hat group and then the face group. And this is good. Pick up another video, we'll keep going.